A quick shot of the dust box that I made for the girls yesterday. I think they're enjoying it a lot. I put some wood ash in there, some sand, a little bit of peat moss, and some diatomaceous earth. So I think they'll really appreciate that. I've got a couple chicks that pickings that had some little bit of lice coming on, and I think they've not been able to take a good proper dust bath, so they're really enjoying this. And we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I thought you might like to see. All right, see you.